last thing we learned?
So we did about surds.
We did what? Surds, right?
Surd.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. What was the last question we solved?
We did once again. I think it was exercise 1E, letter N.
Okay. The same exercise, we are going to solve few more questions. Okay, question number 2 now, opening the brackets involving surds. So just write question number 2. When it comes to opening the bracket, right? For example, first one, A, you have root 3 times 2 plus root 3, right? Take root 3 and multiply both. You will get 2 root 3 plus root 3 times root 3 is plus 3. That's it. No like terms, so you don't need to simplify. For example, E now. Are you paying attention, Naima?
Yes, sir.
2 minus root 3 times 3 minus root 7. So take 2 and multiply both. You will get 6 minus 2 root 7. And then take root 3 and multiply both. You will get minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 times root 7. Put it as a single root. 7 3s are 20. No like terms here also. Leave it as it is. Nothing to simplify. Okay? Copy this.
Okay, sir.
Copy this too.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay. Now, the same exercise. Look at this question. Question number 3. If it's marked as E or E/P, you have to solve that question. You cannot miss that question. You see, for this question, when you get a question, you make sure you read the question completely word by word. Okay? If you put this whole thing in your calculator, you will get the answer straight away, but you will get 0 mark. So what you need to do, write square root of 75, the simplified form. 5 root 3 minus square root of 12, put it in your calculator, you will get 2 root 3. So the answer is 5 minus 2 is 3 root 3. You see, it looks like this, right?
Yeah.
That's how you solve it. Copy that.
Okay, sir.
Have you downloaded the past paper questions, chapter wise past papers?
Yes, sir.
And you are yet to send me your homework, right?
Yeah, you told I'll send all by Friday.
Yeah, by tomorrow you need to send it to me.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you a past paper question now. Just write the past paper reference. January 2022, question 3. They want you to write this function in this form. Okay? Tell me, Ayman, how do you usually expand this x plus root 2 whole square?
I first make a bracket x plus square root 2
times x plus
another
square
bracket
root.
x plus
The easiest way, apply this identity. Start applying this identity. Initially it will be harder. You try that few days, it will be very easy. A square plus 2ab plus b square. You see how I am doing this? A square, A is x, b is this. A square plus 2ab, 2x times root 2, 2 root 2x, b square, square root of 2 whole square. That's it. For the second one, a square, 3x whole square minus 2ab, which is going to be 630. You will get 60 root 2x plus b square. B square is this. I'm gonna put it in my calculator. 5 root of a square is 200. Okay. Now you need to carefully simplify the like terms. These two are like terms. 20 and 202 are like terms. 9x square plus x square also like terms. So you'll get 10x square minus 62 square root of 2x plus 202. Does it look like this?
Sir, won't it be 58 minus 58? Because it's...
Yes, man. Yes, sorry, I made a mistake. Minus 58. Very good. That's good. Don't just copy my answer, okay? Always work it out. Yes, minus 58 is correct. Yep, our answer is correct. Copy that first.
So I'm done.
Okay, I want you to try this question, Aimo. Tell me what's your final answer. Write each surd as a simplified form and try to simplify it. So first put square root of 180 in your calculator. You'll get 6 root.
Yeah, I got 6 over here, 5.
Minus square root of 80. 4 root 5 divided by root 5, right? 6 minus 4
Yeah.
is 2 root 5 divided by root 5. You can cancel root 5. You get the answer 2. Understand?
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to move on to the next topic, which is a very important one, rationalizing the denominator. Write the title. Rationalizing denominators. Okay, man. The rationalizing the denominator, I'm going to explain this, okay? Let's say you have this number, 1 over square root of 5. The square root of 5 is an irrational number, okay? The denominator is an irrational number. So we need to rationalize this number. How do we do that? It's very easy. Multiply and divide by the same square root of 5. So we'll get 1 times root 5, root 5 times root 5. You see, look at the denominator now. It's a rational number, right? That's called rationalizing the denominator. Easy, right? Are you there, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if you have two terms, let's say 5 over 2 plus root 3, they want you to rationalize this. You take the conjugate. Conjugate is, take the denominator, instead of 2 plus root 3, take 2 minus root 3 and multiply and divide. If you ask me why we are taking 2 minus root 3, so when you multiply, numerator becomes 10 minus 5 root 3. Denominator, do you see a plus b times a minus b? What's algebraic identity? A plus b times a minus b? A square
Yeah.
minus b square. So in this case it's going to be 2 square minus root 3 square. So you will get 10 minus 5 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. Now you see, we rationalize the denominator already. Understand?
Yeah.
So if you have a single term, take the same term and multiply and divide. If you have a double term, you take the conjugate of it. That means if it's 2 plus root 3, multiply divide by 2 minus root 3. If it's 2 minus root 3,
So what if it is, what if it's 2 minus root 3?
you multiply divide by 2 plus root 3.
Okay.
Okay?
And if it is 3 terms?
You won't get 3 terms, don't worry. So I want you to copy this question 1 and 2.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm done.
Okay, I want you to go to the exercise now. The last exercise. Exercise 1F. Exercise 1F, question number 1. You see, for D, before you rationalize, see whether you can simplify it. You can write it as root 3 times root 5, right?
Yeah.
Cancel this, you will get 1 over root 5 and then rationalize it. So you will get root 5 over 5. Even if you do that directly, you will get the same answer. Even if you multiply and divide by square root of 15, right? you will still get the same answer.
Okay, sir.
You will get square root of 15, square root of 15 times square root of 3. You put it in your calculator, you will get 9 root 5 divided by 15, which is square root of 5 by 5. Because you cancel this,
Yeah.
you get this answer. Something is wrong here. That's not 9, that should be 3 root 5. Okay? Copy that.
So which question should I do?
I want you to try a question. Probably try age. Tell me what's the answer you got.
So I got 1/3.
1/3? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you need to show the steps. You cannot just write the answer. Understand?
Yeah, I wrote.
Yeah. So let's move on to question 2 now. When you have two terms in the denominator.
Okay.
When you have two terms, for example, I'm taking this question f. You have 3 minus root 2 divided by 4 minus root 5 times 4 plus root 5, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So multiply. Take 3 and multiply both. You will get 12 plus 3 root 5. Take minus root 2 and multiply both. You will get minus 4 root 2 minus root of 10 divided by a square. Always put a square minus b square. Do not multiply 1 by 1 here, okay? You will get the same answer, but this would be a lot easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so on top I don't see any like terms. All the terms are unlike terms, so keep it as it is. 12 plus 3 root 5 minus 4 root 2 minus root of 10, everything divided by 4 square is 16 minus 5 is 11. That's the answer. So copy that, and I want you to try J on your own.
Okay.
Once completed J, take a picture and send it to me.
Okay.
This is basically your third lesson, right, Aimo?
Yes, sir. So I got the answer 1.
Can you send me your
I'm
working?
sending it. Yeah.
Okay, let me look at your working. Three plus 3 minus root 7, which is 3 minus 7. How you got 3 plus 7 on top? That's wrong already.
So what do you mean?
Numerator, you need to multiply 1 by 1 properly, right? How did you put 3 plus 7? Can you explain it to me?
Sir, because it is negative 7.
Yeah, it is negative 7.
Oh, yeah.
You understand your mistake?
Yeah, yeah.
If you multiply by root 3 minus root 7, your denominator is correct. Your denominator is also wrong. You put 3 plus 7, you know. What are you doing, Aima? You should put 3 minus 7 here. Why you put 3 plus? And on top you need to have 3 root 3 minus 3 root 7 minus square root of 21 minus 7. You need to multiply it 1 by 1, correct?
Yeah.
So no like term, so write everything as it is. Divided by negative 4. Understand? I want you to try one more. Try
Yes,
M
sir.
also without mistake this time.
Yeah. Okay. So I have a question.
Yep.
The denominator, when you use negative square root 7, when when you multiply it by negative square root 7, it comes positive 7.
The denominator, right? I will explain the denominator here. You have root 3 plus 7 times root 3 minus 7, right? If you multiply a plus b by a minus b, the identity is a square minus b square, which is a square minus b square. So square root of 3 whole square is 3 minus. It's not this one, this is different. Okay? What the square is only for root 7. So it's just 7.
Okay, sir.
Understand? Do you get it?
What?
Do you get it? Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to try m now without any mistake.
Okay.
We are going to move on to question number 3 now. Okay? Question number 3. Question number 3. When you get questions like this, right? First simplify. For example, a. You simplify the denominator first. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you'll get 1 over 11 minus 6 root 2, and then rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide by 11 plus 6 root 2. Understand?
Yes.
So for all these questions you need to simplify the denominator first and then rationalize. So you will get 11 plus, copy this, divided by a square minus b square, which is 11 plus 6 root 2 divided by 121 minus, I'm going to put it in my calculator, 49. Okay? Copy this.
Okay. Yeah.
Copy this. Probably I want you to try E on your own.
Sir, when we are squaring minus 8 over square root 2 over square, how do we do it?
I don't understand what you are asking.
When we are squaring minus 8 square root 2.
Minus 8 square root 2. Depending on if you, are you talking about this one?
Yeah.
Keep the minus as it is. Put this in your calculator.
Okay.
Or write 8 root 2 times 8 root 2 in your calculator. You'll get 128. First of all, have you opened the bracket in the denominator? You got 15 minus 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2. Why minus? Plus 3 root. Minus 2.
Yeah, plus 3.
Which is going to be 1 over 13 minus 2 root 2, not 8 root. So multiply and divide by 13 plus 2 root. Okay, Iman?
Yes.
You need to be very careful, man. Do not make mistakes in plus and minus, okay? Only the O-level students used to make those mistakes. You are a AS level student, we got bigger things to worry about. So,
Okay.
plus and minus and all, you cannot make these mistakes at all. 13 plus 2 root 2 divided by a square minus b square, which is 13 plus 2 root 2 divided by 169 minus 8, which is 161. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You copied this? So Iman, I want you to listen to me carefully. Let's say your final answer is this: 14 plus 49 root 2 divided by 7. If you write this as your answer, you won't get full mark. Can you tell me why?
Because you have to simplify it.
You have to simplify it. You need to take 7 as a common factor. 2 4s are 7, 7 sevens are 49 divided by 7. You cancel this, you get 2 plus 7 root. Understand? So always you need to write it as a simplified answer, otherwise you will lose more. Now I want you to try question number 4, the exam style question on your own, and send me your working, this one. Okay, and send me your work. Have you finished it?
Not yet. So I sent it to you.
Okay, you multiply it by root 5 plus 1, very good. So it's 3 root 5 plus 3 minus 10 minus 2 root 5, that's correct, minus 1, yeah, that's 4, which is root 5 minus 7 divided by 4. Your answer is perfect, but still something you need to do at the end. Did you read the question carefully? You need to write it in this form.
So should we like take 4 up?
No. You see, you have this answer, right?
Yeah.
Write it as 1 over, split this, 1 over 5 root 5 minus 7 over 4. Swap the terms, so minus 7 over 4 plus 1 over 4 root 5. Does it look like P plus Q root 5?
Yes.
That's how you should write the answer, otherwise you will lose 1 mark, understand?
Yes.
Copy that, please.
Okay.
So there are some past paper questions like this. I want you to try all those past paper questions as well. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You see, we discuss almost all of the past paper questions, but there is one more question we haven't discussed. So I want you to write specimen paper 2 question 4. Just put the past paper reference, specimen paper 2 question 4. Hey, who is this man? Just a minute. Sorry, Emma. Write this reference, specimen 2 question 4. I'm gonna show you one more type of question, okay? I want you to read the question and tell me what they ask you to find out here. What they want you to do here. This is the question. What do they mean by solve?
Should we like make it a quadratic?
No. My question is, what do they mean by solve the equation?
We should find the value of x.
Value of x, correct? So make x as a subject by collecting all the x terms to one side. 3x minus x root 2 is 14, right? Take x as a common factor. 3 minus root 2 is 14. So x is 14 over 3 minus root 2, and then apply rationalizing the denominator. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is this is another type of question you can expect from chapter 1. They are going to ask you to solve an equation. So basically you need to find the value of the variable, right? But you will get something like this, and then you need to rationalize the denominator. Understand?
Okay.
Copy this now.
Okay.
So you will get 42 plus 14 root 2 divided by 3 square minus root 2 square, which is 42 plus 14 root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 is 7. You need to simplify. So 6 sevens of 42, 2 sevens of 14. That's the final answer.
Okay, sir.
Copy that.